This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Have you ever visited a Rolex Authorized dealer and noticed how elusive the highly coveted stainless steel sports models are? Despite the impressive array of other stunning Rolex timepieces displayed, the most popular and in-demand designs always seem to be conspicuously absent. Rolex, the renowned Swiss watch brand, has become a global symbol of luxury, precision, and enduring elegance. As the demand for these iconic timepieces grows, the relationship between Rolex, its authorized dealers, and customers has taken on new layers of complexity. One intriguing yet debated topic that has surfaced is the 70/30 rule, a concept that offers insight into the intricate process of buying a Rolex watch from authorized dealers. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will explore the hidden aspects of the Rolex 70/30 rule and uncover its implications for your chances of acquiring a desirable Rolex sports model. Prepare yourself to understand why locating these Rolex timepieces can be so challenging. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we strongly encourage you to do so to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Diving into the world of iconic Rolex watches might seem overwhelming at first, but there is no need to stress. That's where authorized Rolex dealers come in. This surprising approach could transform how you view the buying experience. These professionals serve as your trusted advisors, bringing expertise, experience, and valuable insights to the table, making the process of selecting your Rolex both enjoyable and straightforward. They will walk you through the various models, explain the unique features of each timepiece, and help you find one that you will cherish and wear with pride for years to come. The 70/30 rule refers to an informal practice observed by many authorized Rolex dealers in managing their inventory. According to this guideline, around 70% of available watches are allocated to loyal, high-profile clients, those with a history of substantial purchases or long-standing relationships with the dealer. The remaining 30% is reserved for new customers or those without prior connections. This approach creates a significant challenge for first-time buyers seeking to purchase a Rolex directly from an authorized dealer. Many find themselves placed on lengthy waiting lists with slim chances of obtaining a sought-after model. Consequently, this dynamic fuels a booming gray market, where limited availability drives up demand, enabling resellers to offer watches at significantly higher prices. For many buyers, this rule feels both surprising and disheartening. First-time customers often struggle with the reality of competing against seasoned collectors and wealthy individuals to secure their dream Rolex. Additionally, the perception that Rolex watches are excessively exclusive and difficult to obtain can discourage potential buyers from even considering authorized dealers. This system can also create an air of exclusivity among high-profile clients, fostering a culture where the value of a Rolex is tied not only to its craftsmanship and design, but also to one's social status and financial influence. As a result, genuine enthusiasts may feel overlooked and underappreciated by the very brand they admire. You might wonder how these authorized dealers become the go-to destinations for purchasing Rolex luxury watches. The answer lies in a rigorous contract with Rolex. Not a simple agreement, but a detailed, binding arrangement that dictates what dealers can and cannot do. Rolex carefully selects a limited number of retailers to carry the prestigious title of authorized Rolex dealer, entrusting them with the responsibility of maintaining the brand's luxurious reputation and allure. Rolex is universally regarded as the pinnacle of luxury watchmaking, renowned worldwide as a symbol of prestige and accomplishment. However, such widespread acclaim has given rise to numerous myths and misconceptions about the brand. In recent years, Rolex has streamlined its retail network, prompting some dealers to step away from selling their watches. This calculated strategy has amplified the allure of Rolex timepieces, increasing their desirability and market value. For many, owning a Rolex represents more than just owning a watch. It is a way to celebrate personal milestones and display financial success. As prices in the secondary market for Rolex watches have decreased, the appeal of purchasing them as speculative investments has waned. This shift has opened up more opportunities for true enthusiasts who appreciate Rolex watches for their craftsmanship and timeless design rather than their profit potential. To preserve its exclusivity and uphold its standards, Rolex limits the number of authorized dealers. If you wish to purchase one of these coveted timepieces, you will need to visit specialized jewelry stores or certified Rolex retailers. However, earning the title of an authorized Rolex dealer is no easy feat. Rolex imposes rigorous criteria, and retailers that fail to meet these standards risk losing their place in the prestigious network. Fortunately, Rolex's well-structured agreements ensure that the shortcomings of one store do not impact the reputation of others within the same network. Let us take a closer look at how Rolex and its authorized dealers handle the allocation of these highly coveted timepieces. Each year, dealers must follow Rolex's strict guidelines, ordering only the models and quantities that the brand decides to supply. While adding your name to a waiting list at an authorized dealer might seem like a step closer to your dream watch, your position often depends on how valuable you are to the retailer. Regular customers with a history of significant purchases tend to move up the list more quickly. However, even with these dynamics, predicting when you will receive your desired watch is as unpredictable as guessing the weather without data. Rolex operates on its mysterious timeline, delivering watches at its discretion. Dealers, for their part, are largely at the mercy of Rolex when it comes to inventory. The brand does not guarantee that every requested model will be supplied, keeping tight control over the distribution process and leaving dealers in the dark until shipments arrive. This means that reaching out early to secure a specific watch rarely guarantees success, and requests for certain models may go unfulfilled. Meanwhile, the secondary market has seen a cooling trend, with declining prices reducing the allure of flipping Rolex watches for profit. As speculative buying diminishes, more watches are finding their way to enthusiasts who truly value them for their craftsmanship and design, rather than for their potential resale value. Interestingly, Rolex takes a direct approach with its authorized dealers, retaining the right to conduct unannounced inspections. These surprise checks may involve reviewing sales and warranty records or even performing comprehensive inventory audits to ensure that rare models are properly accounted for. This clause in their agreements enables Rolex to closely monitor dealer operations, fueling discussions among critics who view the luxury watch industry as somewhat opaque and mysterious. Now, let us delve into how Rolex maintains strict control over its distribution network. A cornerstone of their approach is enforcing the manufacturer's suggested retail price or MSRP. Authorized dealers are required to adhere to this pricing, ensuring uniformity and preserving the brand's exclusivity across all locations. Dealers who attempt to raise prices above the MSRP risk damaging their relationship with Rolex, a move that can spark conversations and occasional controversy within the industry. Additionally, Rolex retains exclusive ownership of the watches it supplies to its authorized dealers. If a dealer decides to close, reduce their Rolex offerings, or encounter financial struggles, they cannot simply sell their stock elsewhere. This policy allows Rolex to maintain control over its timepieces and prevents an overflow into the secondary market. Should a dealer attempt to bypass this rule and sell to a third party, they would be required to pay the full retail price, with Rolex having the option to buy the watches back. This authority allows Rolex to sever ties with any dealer or jeweler for various reasons, such as involvement in the gray market, failure to meet sales expectations, or changes to their business practices. While the 70/30 rule is not officially acknowledged by Rolex, and its implementation may vary, it provides a plausible explanation for why highly sought-after sports models can be so hard to find at authorized dealers. Ultimately, if this strategy proves effective, it benefits Rolex in numerous ways, creating value for both consumers and dealers alike. This concludes our thorough look into Rolex's authorized dealers, offering some clarity on the complexities surrounding them. What are your impressions on the Rolex 70/30 rule topic we shared in this video? Please let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you for watching Luxury World, and we eagerly anticipate your participation in our upcoming videos.